Managing client portfolios in TeamGate CRM is one of the most streamlined processes you can leverage to optimize your sales and client relationships. Whether you're tracking leads, nurturing clients, or managing complex portfolios, this CRM offers the tools you need to stay organized and efficient. But as with any software, it's important to see how it compares and whether it's really the best choice for your needs. Stick around, and I'll walk you through how TeamGate can help with portfolio management and also share some alternatives you might want to consider. First up, TeamGate CRM gives you a clear, user-friendly interface to track client portfolios. It allows you to store critical client information like contact details, communications, project statuses, and financials in one central place. You can easily access these details, helping you manage and update portfolios without constantly switching tabs or hunting for emails. But while it's efficient for tracking individual portfolios, there are some limitations when it comes to more complex portfolio management, especially if you're working with high net worth clients. Next, the CRM's pipeline feature is key to managing client portfolios. The visual pipeline allows you to drag and drop clients through different stages, giving you a clear overview of where each client stands. This works really well for straightforward sales processes or smaller portfolios. However, if you're managing portfolios with multiple layers of investment or different types of clients, you might find TeamGate's pipeline a little too simple. There's limited customization for advanced portfolio scenarios. The third thing you'll want to keep in mind is TeamGate's integration options. The software syncs seamlessly with major tools like Google Workspace, Outlook, and Zapier. This can be a real game changer if you're looking to keep your workflows streamlined and connected across platforms. But if you're using more specialized tools or need complex integrations for sophisticated portfolio tracking, TeamGate might not cover all the bases. Its integration flexibility falls short compared to other platforms that offer more robust, finance-specific integrations. The fourth thing to consider is the reporting and analytics feature. TeamGate offers some decent reports, helping you see how your portfolios are performing over time. You can track client engagement, sales data, and performance metrics with ease. However, when you need more detailed financial analysis or projections for multiple portfolios, TeamGate's reporting features may feel a bit too basic, especially if you're looking to present comprehensive reports to stakeholders. Now, if you're managing a large number of clients or a more diverse portfolio, you might start to feel that TeamGate CRM doesn't quite scale well enough. Its interface and workflow are great for smaller businesses or simple sales pipelines, but as your client base and portfolio complexity grow, you may find the CRM lacking in key features like advanced segmentation, predictive analytics, or financial reporting tools. So, here's the part that matters. While TeamGate CRM can be great for certain types of portfolio management, I want to show you some alternatives that might be better suited for your goals, especially if you're managing larger or more intricate client portfolios. These tools offer extended features like more detailed financial tracking, superior integrations, and better reporting capabilities that TeamGate might be missing. Plus, I've got an exclusive and extended free trial offer for these alternatives, available only through the link in the description. By using that link, you'll get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits that aren't available to others. If you need a more sophisticated CRM for portfolio management, check out these options to make sure you're investing in the right tool for your business.